Alright, we're back. We're working on the old Cape Horn. I've got the new Garmin's in. I decided to go ahead and replace my Fusion stereo because the screen wasn't working. I did order a new one online, and here's the deal. This one's way bigger than the one I ordered. So, here's the problem. That slides in this, and if you can see, that is not going to cover all the old holes. Alright, so we're going to go get some starboard panel. I got some scrap starboard panel. I'm going to cut out a little, I'm going to make a little adapter for this and stick it on there and screw it on to hold it. Yeah, so I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to use this to trace. Alright, we're all ready to rock. I made it a little oversized there so I can fit my router edge on it. I got everything laid out here. Bang up the old table saw. Alright, that's that. We're going to route it real quick. So then this little stuff here you can just kind of clean up. Actually, I'm going to use a razor blade, but that's basically what we're doing here. Get that off. It's pretty good. So, yeah, now we have a nice little mount. Alright, we're gonna put some 5200 on this thing. 4200, excuse me. On the old hole. Don't need a lot of it. I want to make a mess. I still have the coffee shakes this morning. What I'm going to do is put them on the outside edge. Alright. Let's try and get this as close to center as we can here. Alright, like so. Alright, we have some self-tappers here. Okay. Okay, we're in like flint. So there's this piece, but I don't think you necessarily need that. I'm just gonna flat mount this thing just so it doesn't stick out so far. I am gonna put this gasket, but I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill this thing right where we want it. Okay. Same thing, it has a self-tapper on it. We want to make sure our gasket's in there right. There we go. And that's why this is in my mouth. Okay. If you're ever using a drill on plastic, you better be careful not to break it. Okay. That's that one. Okay. And then we have our last little two pieces to clip on here. Check the little safety screen. That goes there. That goes there. All right. That, my friends, is our finished product. It doesn't look terrible. Just a little modification there. So you back out of that. And just want it nice and clean. It's clean to me. Nice and straight. Even. And we're gonna hook up the back. Alright, we're a little cleaned up back here with this wiring. I kind of went through everything, kind of cleaned it up a little bit. I'm gonna show you what I did. From our amp we have zone 1, zone 2. We've got our blue power wire. These wires are going to go directly to your speakers, which we only have 4 left because we took out the sub. Coming up here on your fusion box, this is that NEMA 2000 wire that's coming over and down. On here, the only thing that we really needed, we needed one RCA cable hook in here that goes down to our amp. We also have our blue wire, which powers down to the amp. Of course, we have the red and the black. There are no yellows now. So you had red, black, blue. That's the only 3 we used. And we don't connect any speaker wires because we're actually going through we're sending our speaker signal down to the amp, and then the amp is speakering out. So you're not going to use any of your speaker setups, but we did use zone 1 and zone 2 on that. That's all that, and we are all connected and cleaned up here. So yeah. Alright, so everything works on the boat. That's how we do the install. I'll probably make another video and show you all the stuff on the Garmins. Looking fly, pretty fly for a white guy. We're out of here. Check out all the other YouTube videos I got out on Flippin Tail. You're gonna love them. It's fishing, it's mudding, it's how to, it's rocking. See you next time.